In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Counter-Strike when it's not working properly following the latest update. Whether you're a seasoned player or someone just getting into the game, finding your favourite game unresponsive after an update can be frustrating. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through fixing this issue step by step so you can get back to your gaming adventures as soon as possible. First things first, you'll need to open your Steam app. For those of you unfamiliar with the interface, Steam is where your games are stored and updated. Once you have Steam open, the next step is to log in. If you're not already logged in, click on the login button. This will take you to a page where you can enter your account details. Make sure you type in your account name and password correctly to avoid any login hiccups. Once you're logged in, click on sign in to enter your account. Now you'll land on your Steam homepage. This is your central hub for all your games and updates. Next, navigate to the library section. You can easily find this in the navigation bar at the top of the Steam client. The library is where all your installed and purchased games are listed. Now that you're in the library, locate Counter-Strike in your list of games. Once you find it, right-click on the game. This action will pull up a menu with various options. From the menu, you'll want to select Properties. This is where you'll be able to manage the settings for the game. In the Properties window, look for the Betas tab and click on it. The Betas tab is where you'll manage which version of the game you're using, especially important for troubleshooting issues that arise from updates. Here, you'll see the option for beta participation. You need to select the latest version available from the drop-down menu. Selecting the latest beta version can often fix issues that arise from updates, because developers regularly use this channel to test fixes for recent bugs. And that's it. Once you've selected the latest version, allow Steam some time to update your game. The process may take a few minutes, but once complete, try launching Counter-Strike again. If you followed these steps, your issue should be resolved. Remember, a lot of times these solutions are simply about making sure your game is synced with the latest patches and updates. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful and you're back to enjoying your game. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment, and happy gaming.